Hey guys, it's Melanie and welcome back. Today I am excited to bring you another campaign from Skinstore. Personally, I have shopped from Skinstore for a long time. I find that they have a huge selection of a lot of the products that I really personally enjoy. And I find that Skinstore really has some of the best sales that are out there. And they support my channel, which I think is fantastic. I obviously have a much smaller channel here on YouTube, and I've always appreciated them sticking with me and yeah, showing my channel some love. I think that's amazing for a somewhat larger retailer to do that, because that's kind of unheard of, I feel like, with a lot of major retailers. So anyway, I love Skinstore. I support them. I certainly give them my money to buy things from them quite a bit. And whenever they have a campaign that I am interested in, I will absolutely hands down partner with them. So this video is not necessarily sponsored by Skinstore, but they did send me some items to be able to share with you guys that are a part of this campaign. And the most current campaign for July is their Recharge and Repair campaign. So this particular one focuses all about sort of repairing the damage that can happen during the summer months to your hair, to your skin, taking the time to still continue with your self-care routine, and focusing on keeping everything hydrated and supple. So a lot of these products are geared towards hair care, skin care. You can find a lot of different things. There are 9 pages of products that are a part of this particular campaign. I will put a link in the description down below. Also down there is an exclusive discount code for you guys, just for you, that will save you some money on all of these products that are on these pages. So I have a few things from the campaign that I will share with you that I have been using for the last several weeks, so I can actually give you some in-depth thoughts on whether I think you should pick these things up, or I mean, hey, we might have completely different skin types or hair types, and this might help you maybe find a different product if this one, if whatever I show you doesn't fit with your particular hair type, your skin type, whatever. There's lots to choose from. Some of the brands that you can find, and I wrote some of them down because it might be helpful. Skin Iceland, Zellens, Christoph Robin, PCA, Skin Authority, Eve Loam, Patchology, Grow Gorgeous, and literally a whole host of other brands are a part of this particular campaign, and thus will be on sale. So the information is in the description box down below. The discount code is just for you guys. I don't get anything special from it, so enjoy. If you need to pick something up, feel free. Otherwise, strap in for a few reviews here, because I'm going to show you what I selected from the Recharge and Repair campaign. First, you guys have already seen these in my Friday favorites and flops, and after getting this, I am already in the market to find the largest size. I don't think these come in liters. I want to say, maybe they do. No, I think they're like 17 ounces. I think the larger sizes are somewhere around like 17 or 18 ounces. But anyway, this Virtue brand, I've used a few of their products and I like them a lot, but this shampoo and conditioner is so far my favorite from them. This is the Virtue Recovery Shampoo and Recovery Conditioner. I love this on my prone to dryness, naturally gray hair. This hydrates my hair just as well as 2 of my other beloveds, which you guys know are the Pureology Hydrate line, as well as the Alterna Caviar line. I think the Alterna might actually be a part of this as well. So if this isn't your vibe, if the Alterna is a part of the sale, you should check out the Alterna Caviar Moisture Repair line. Lovely on gray hair as well. But these guys here, first of all, doesn't weigh my hair down. Second of all, doesn't create a tangly mess with the shampoo as I'm washing. Third, This conditioner hydrates and detangles my hair so well, but then it completely rinses out and my hair is just left clean and bouncy and soft and manageable. And these products also, wait for it, smell like $1,000,000. These have very kind of soft fragrances to them. I don't find these hair care products to be heavily fragranced, but they do have a scent to them. It is, I would consider this a somewhat soft, light floral type scent, leaning more like fresh, clean floral than like heavy, oppressive floral in any kind of way. At any rate, after just a couple of weeks of using these, I am ready to commit to the full mega sizes of these because I'm in love. I'm in love. So I think that Virtue probably comes out with duos or collections around the holiday. In fact, I think the first time that I purchased some Virtue hair care I think it might have been last holiday season or a sale before that where I picked up some things at a different retailer. But I'm in love with both of these. If you've never tried this Virtue brand, I'm liking it so far. Love that. Second, this Ren Clean Skincare Clear Calm Clarifying Clay Cleanser. It's a cleanser, and it really is a clay cleanser. It is almost like you are taking like literally a mask. I'm going to show you guys here. This is how it comes out. It looks like a mask. And you just wash your face with it. It doesn't foam up. It smells like clay. I don't get like a fragrance from this per se. Maybe a little bit. I'm not sure what Ren's, they do have linalool in here, which I know is a big no-no for a lot of people, but there's also lavender oil in here. But one of the main ingredients here is the kaolin clay, and there is also glycerin in here, sunflower seed oil, sage oil. This is kind of heavy on the essential oils, guys, so do be careful. They do not bother my skin, so do keep that in mind. But what I find I get from this is just a really nice, refreshing clean. I do use this with my Clarisonic. I don't use it in the morning, I use it at night. And it really does help to remove all of the excess oil from my skin. I do a first cleanse, obviously. But it removes the excess oil. It takes off any of the remaining makeup that my first cleanse didn't get. But it's gentle. It's not irritating my skin. It doesn't over dry my skin, so it's not taking out too much of that oil. And it's just a really nice cleanser to use during the summer months. I don't think that I would use something like this during the fall and winter. I think it would maybe suck out just a little bit too much for my liking personally. But during the summer, this is a fantastic cleanser. And if you're in the market for a new one and you have an oilier skin type, I would definitely suggest checking this out. If you do not have an oily skin type, I don't know that I would recommend this. Just keep that in mind. Next is a product from Arcana, and I really happen to like Arcana a lot. I have purchased a lot of Arcana products from Skinstore myself, and I really like the line a lot. I believe this was originally, Arcana was developed for spa use. I think that's what I read. Anyway, way back in the day, I had an old girlfriend who used to work in product development for skincare companies, and she had gotten a lot of the Arcana stuff, and she was sampling it and kind of playing with the formula and seeing if there were parts of the Arcana formula that she was thinking of adding into a skincare brand that she was working on at the time. And so way back then, I tried a few of their products because she gifted me some of them and kind of fell in love with the line. I really think that if you have just a normal skin type, If you are not sensitive to fragrance, this would be a great line to check out. There is fragrance in Arcana products. So do you know that? I know that is a turnoff for a lot of you, so I want to mention it. It's not a turnoff for me personally, but if you are someone who avoids that, I'm not sure this would be the brand for you. But this is their Advanced A Serum, and this is the retinol that I am currently using on my neck. I have also used this on my face. I like the way that it feels on my face at night, and I certainly wake up in the morning with a nice glow to my skin. But at this point, I am using a prescription tretinoin. And so for me, I like to use the over-the-counter retinols on my neck because the tretinoin is way too strong for my sensitive neck. This does incredible on my sensitive neck. Zero irritation whatsoever. I do have to be careful when introducing new products sometimes on my neck because it is a lot more sensitive than any of the other areas on my body, and so I'm always a little bit like when I'm adding something there, but this just fit in perfectly, and I am getting some great surface cell turnover. I feel like it doesn't irritate the skin at all. I do think that it fits in well with my current routine. So while I don't have any dramatic before and after to tell you guys about, because it's only been a couple of weeks with this product, I can tell you that so far it's not irritating my skin. It is fitting right in line with everything else that I have in my neck routine, and I'm really enjoying it. So it's a great replacement for the retinol product that I was using before this one. So I like it. I'm a fan. And then the last thing you guys have heard me rave about in my Friday favorites already as well, and it is the Derma Doctor Picture Perfect Pore Minimizer. So I have been using this as a part of my morning routine. This is not meant to be a primer per se, but I really feel like that it actually helps to kind of fill in the look of my pores a little bit before I go in with my SPF and my powder foundation. I think this is helping my makeup, one, last a lot longer throughout the day. Two, it's helping to minimize the look of my pores. And three is it's helping to control the oil production throughout the course of the day. Some of the ingredients that really appealed to me in this particular product was that there is, let me find the ingredient list again here. There's a lot of different types of acids in here. I don't want to miss them. So there's glycolic acid, azelaic acid, lactic acid. There's also retinol in here as well as malic acid. There is green tea extract in here, willow bark extract. Just all really great ingredients for those that have an enlarged pore where you find that things collect, fester, you get blackheads, all of that kind of stuff. This is a wonderful product to use every single day to help keep those sebaceous filaments, the blackheads, and potentially even breakouts if your skin responds well to the willow bark. It just helps with the clarity, the overall tone and texture of my skin, and I'm just really happy with how this works for me as a part of my daytime routine. My daytime routine, I always have to be a little bit more careful with because I can't put on anything too heavy because the oil will eventually just lift it all off and have it slide down my face. So skincare as part of the morning routine is something that I have to very carefully play with, and I'm always nervous to add something in, but this fit in like a dream right away. Again, if you have that oily skin type, or you have the combination skin, I would just use this in the areas where you are a little bit more prone to the enlarged pores and the oil production. If you're combination, I put one pump all over my face and I love it. I love this. This is something that I can already tell, just like the Virtue Recovery Shampoo and Conditioner is now going to be a permanent part of my routine. So big fan. Big, huge, fat fan. So these are the products that I selected and that I think would be wonderful to try out if you have a lot of the same concerns that I do. But if you have totally different skincare, hair care, body care concerns, definitely take a look through the brands that are available as a part of this sale. And again, there is an exclusive discount code that is just for you. So feel free to partake if you need something new. If not, that's fine. I'm sure Skinstore will do another campaign over the next several months, and hopefully I'll get to bring that to you guys as well. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.